bufatanye na Kirimo Trust twiga mu buryo tekinike mu nyandiko mu mpapuro n'ibishushanyo biratwungura ubumenyi kugira ngo tuvugurure urwego twe tugezeho mu byo twakoraga noneho tugume kwaguka no guteza imbere umurimo wacu.
We organized this workshop purposely to train the local fabricators of agriculture machines on how to fabricate multi-crop thresher.
Most local companies don't have the money or the time to put in the research, research and development for their products. So often they'll build a product and they'll sell it and they don't necessarily know if it works well or not. It's not possible for somebody to just buy a machine and start using it without training. They need to either get the training from somebody like the Kirimo Trust, and so that's where we come in, that we've been spending years ensuring that this product works well for farmers. And so now we have given these fabricators the design, and then they'll be able to make it, sell it. So we're increasing industrialization, we're increasing jobs, and we're increasing agricultural productivity.
I run as a product manager and a corporate lead for TVET Company Limited that designs and manufactures agricultural machinery for African condition and use. So that's the mandate of TVET. And on a personal note, I serve with the Soybean Innovation Lab as a trainer for the same machines we design to help train other local fabricators and to enable local manufacturing across Africa.
We are doing this through our project called Regional East African Community Trade in Staples, which is funded by Alliance for Green Revolution in Africa, that is AGRA. We have about 33 people participating in this training. The expected result is a thresher that can do a better job than the locally fabricated threshers.
Itandukaniro riri hagati y'imashini twari dutuye dukoresha n'uburyo zakorwagamo zabaga ari imashini hanini zifite nk'akayunguruzo kamwe ugasanga nimba ari ibigori yagenewe ni ibigori nimba ari ibishyimbo yagenewe ni ibishyimbo ariko kugeza ubu n'ubundi bumenyi bushya umuntu yakire bigaragara ko imashini turi gukora nimba ibasha kuba yakakira ibihingwa bine abahinzi bakoreshaga ibibando cyangwa se uburyo bwo guhura umusaruro ugasanga birabatwara igihe imashini twakoze irabasha kuba yahura ibigori byibuze tone 2 ku isaha aho none atari na ngombwa ko ubanza gutonora ibigori ifite ubushobozi bwo kuba yahura ibigori washyiranyemo n'ibishishwa igasohora grain